Today we're going to look at a variety of equations. We're going to look at completing the tables by putting in values for x to get out the values of y. We're going to translate English sentences into math sentences, and we are going to look at patterns that are occurring in the table, and we're going to graph all these things. So on example 1, our equation is y equals 2x plus 2. We're going to substitute in our values of x to get out our values of y. So we have negative 2 times negative 2 plus 2. Negative 2 times 2 gives us 4. Add 2, that gives us 6. Next we have negative 1. So we have negative 2 times negative 1, which gives us 2. Add 2 more, and that gives us 4. Next we have negative 2 times 0, which gives us 0, plus 2 equals 2. And we have negative 2 times 1, that gives us negative 2. Add 2, and that equals 0. So now we're going to plot our points. Our first ordered pair is negative 2 and 6. So we go over 1, 2, and up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. The next ordered pair is negative 1 and 4. So we go over 1 and up 1, 2, 3, 4, make the dot. The next ordered pair, 0 and 2. So we stay at 0, up 2. And the last ordered pair is 1 and 0. So we go over 1 and stay at 0. And now we can draw our line. Example 2 reads, 2 less than 3 times x is y. So remember, 2 less. This is less than this quantity here. So 3 times x is 3x. We have 2 less, so we're subtracting that. Is equals y. Now we're going to substitute in our values for x. So we have 3 times negative 2 minus 2 equals, we have negative 6 minus 2 gives us negative 8. Next we have 3 times negative 1 minus 2. This gives us negative 3. Minus 2 gives us negative 5. We have 3 times 0, which is 0. Minus 2 equals negative 2. And for the last one, we have 3 times 1 minus 2. This gives us 3 minus 2 equals 1. So now we have an ordered pair of negative 2 and negative 8. That one's probably not going to fit on our graph, so we'll go to the next one. Negative 1 and negative 5. So we go to the left one and down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The next ordered pair, 0 and negative 2, stay at 0, go down 2. Next ordered pair is 1 and 1, over 1, up 1. And we can draw our line. Example 3 twice x and 4 is y. So twice x, twice is represented by 2. So 2 times x and would be the same as addition. 4 is y. So now we're going to substitute in our values. We have 2 times negative 2 plus 4. So 2 times negative 2 gives us negative 4. Plus 4 gives us 0. Next one, 2 times negative 1 gives us negative 2. Add 4. That gives us 2. Next we have 2 times 0 plus 4. 2 times 0 is 0. Add 4. That gives us 4. And the next one, 2 times 1 plus 4. 2 times 1 is 2. Plus 4 is 6. So now our ordered pairs. We have negative 2 and 0. Negative 1 and, sorry, we should be going up 2. The next one is 0 and 4. And the last one is 1 and 6. Draw your lines. All right, now we don't have an equation given to us. We just have a table. So if you look at the x's, what do you notice about the x's? They are increasing by 1. So we go from negative 2 to negative 1, 0, positive 1. Now we need to look at the y's. What do we notice happening on the y's? Looks like they're increasing by 1. So the next value here would be 3, and the next value should be 4. So we're going to graph these. So we have negative 2 and 1. Our next ordered pair, negative 1 and 2, so we go over negative 1, up 2. Next is 0 and 3. And the last ordered pair, 1 and 4. So we go over to 1, up to 4. Now remember, I've told you, if you've created a straight line, then you've probably done it right. So all of our points are in a line, so it looks like we're good. On the back, we have negative 2 and 0 and for x. So we're looking at what's occurring here. It looks like they are increasing by 2. So that means the next value here would be 2. Add 2 more, that gives us 4. Add 2 more, that gives us 6. In the y's, what's occurring on the y side? It looks like they're decreasing by 3. So next we have 3 minus 3, which would give us 0. 0 minus 3 would give us negative 3. And negative 3, take away another 3, gives us negative 6. So let's see if we've guessed correctly on the pattern by graphing the ordered pairs. We have negative 2 and 6. So we go over 2 and up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Next is 0 and 3. So 0, 1, 2, 3. Next we have 2 and 0, so over 2 and add 0. Next ordered pair is 4 and negative 3, so we go over 1, 2, 3, 4, down 1, 2, 3. And the last ordered pair, 6 and negative 6, so we're at the edge here. And we go down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. So we have a straight line. So it looks like we figured out our pattern.